What do you like to do with your friends? Listen to this conversation and learn how to use tag questions for negative statements in the future tense.
Hey, Anne. Do you want to go biking on Saturday?
That sounds fun, but it won't rain, will it? It's been raining all week.
No, the weather report says it'll be nice. You won't need to be home early on Saturday, will you? Maybe we can get dinner after we bike.
That sounds great. I'm free the whole day. So what are tag questions? Tag questions are short questions that we put at the end of a statement. We use tag questions when we want someone to confirm or agree with something that we think is true. In tag questions in the future, we use will plus the subject. You won't leave the party early, will you? When a statement is negative, its tag question is positive. They won't miss the plane, will they? Here are more examples. You won't be late, will you?
No, I'm almost there.
We won't miss the bus, will we?
No, I think we'll get to the bus stop in time.
Now it's your turn. Click pause and add a tag question to each of the following statements. This is American English. Thank you for watching.